was Gordon. The signal changed the points just in time. On, faster, cried the freight cars. Suddenly, he saw James pulling a long, slow train.
Oh my goodness! Help! Save me!
A quick-thinking shunter did, just in time.
What was that?
Exclaimed James. The signalman warned the station master at the next station. There's a runaway coming. We'll send him into the sidings.
Help! Help!
Called Toad again. Toad saw some buffers.
Those will stop me!
But the points to the buffers weren't set.
No! I'm back on the main line!
Meanwhile, Oliver was racing to the rescue. I must catch Toad. I must. Toad sped past Henry. More danger lay ahead. Men were working on a bridge, but they had been warned about the runaway Toad and his freight cars. They diverted him onto old sidings, straight into a running pool.
Stopped at last.
Oliver arrived, and when he saw Toad, he could only smile. A pond is the only place for a toad, I suppose. That night, Toad spoke to Oliver.
I'm sorry, Mr. Oliver, if I caused you any embarrassment.
That's all right, Toad. So what do you think of going forwards?
It was fun,
decided Toad,
but from now on I'll be happy to look forward to the future, busy going backwards, so to speak.